I notice a lot of the people that I subscribe to have grandchildren or children that are a part of their gardening experience. And in the past, I have found that it's really difficult to find good quality children's garden tools. And I have found a fantastic set of tools that your kids and grandkids can use. Let me show you. And no, I'm not trying to sell anybody anything. I just love these so much. I wanted to let you know so that you can invest in something that will last for years and not just be wasting your money every season. So the set comes with a shovel, a lawn rake, a hoe, and a different rake. And what we've been using the most is the shovel. I even use these. This shovel is nice and sharp. It digs well. I've used it when I didn't have my own shovel to dig out the beds. It's really nice.
Can I dig a hole?
Yeah, you can.
Where's my shovel?
They all have metal ends screwed in, solid wood handle. I mean, there's a hole in the end so that you can hang them up. The brand is Buddy Bee. So I don't know if you can go try to find them somewhere on the internet. My mom actually found these on a Montessori website. I'll link it down below. It's not an affiliate link or anything. I've seen a similar set on Amazon, and like the exact same brand is like it's G and L or something like that. Anyways, the exact same brand I see advertised at Target and maybe even Walmart. It looks similar. The size of the handles and stuff is different, so I know it's not the exact same set as these. And it's a lot cheaper. It's like about $20, and these are like about $30. But I know these work really well. They're not poorly made. I've been using this hoe ever since we got it. I use my own, and then I use these, and I'm like chopping dock and stuff. I'm not easy on these, and it is in fantastically perfect shape still. I mean, it's just a really nice hoe. Works just as well as my adult one. Can you get some of the weeds?
Yeah. Hey, Grandma.
Yeah?
Can I make a hole now?
You can make a hole, yeah.
Well, I don't want my hoe to make.
So what I've been doing in my larger garden that is it's been newly tilled this year, and I know that it's gonna be a pain because of the grass. I'll show you how to do it. So what I've been doing is I stand on my knees, and then I hoe the path in front of me. And then I can, you know, go and weed really quick around the corn, and then keep moving forward. And the size of this hoe is perfect for doing that. I'm sure you could do it with an adult size hoe too. This is just really easy to maneuver. So even if you don't have kids, you might want to get a set for yourself. I'm just saying, it's pretty handy. That has been the most efficient way for me to weed that big area over there and keep it under control. The main thing I do with these kind of rakes is smooth the soil before I make a row. My granddaughters are 2 and 3, and they can't quite manage that task. This one hasn't really been used, but they come in the set of 4. You don't get to choose what you get. And then this one for raking the lawn. We were just using this one yesterday out in the field to gather up all the grass clippings to compost, and both girls could use this one really nice. They're nice and light. It works. It collects the grass as it goes. I can't tell you how much money I have spent on stuff for kids, my own children that are growing through the years, and then my grandkids just last year because they're still really little. And it's just a waste of money. I really feel after using these, just even for the short time this season that we've had them, that these are gonna last a nice long time. So I wanted to make this and share with you in case you do have kids. If you can find the brand Buddy Bee, made in Taiwan, or you can go look for the link or just try to Google. I could not find this set anywhere except through the Montessori store. There was another store that had the same thing. It's the same exact store, really. Well, that's all I've got for today. So until next time, see ya.